Hello green-thumbed enthusiasts. Today we embark on a journey into the enchanting world of Stringy Stonecrop, also known as Sedum sarmentosum or gold moss stonecrop. This captivating succulent has a storied history and a myriad of practical uses that will surely pique your gardening interest. Join us as we explore its fascinating past, unique characteristics, and essential cultivation tips. Stringy Stonecrop boasts a rich history that dates back centuries. Originating in Eastern Asia, this succulent was widely used in traditional Chinese medicine for its therapeutic properties. Its resilient nature allowed it to spread to various regions, earning it names like gold moss stonecrop and creeping sedum. This low-growing succulent displays lush, dense foliage, adorned with small, yellow star-shaped flowers during the warmer months. Its trailing stems and vibrant color make it a stunning addition to any garden or rockery. Caring for stringy stonecrop is a breeze. This hardy succulent thrives in well-draining soil and basks in full sun to partial shade. It's an excellent choice for xeriscaping and rock gardens as it can tolerate drought conditions with ease. Create a harmonious garden setting with stringy stonecrop's companionship. It pairs beautifully with other succulents like hens and chicks, sempervivum, and stonecrop, forming a stunning tapestry of colors and textures. Stringy stonecrop offers a wealth of uses beyond its ornamental value. Its fleshy leaves are edible and can add a tangy flavor to salads and sandwiches. Additionally, its medicinal properties have been utilized in traditional Chinese medicine for various ailments. Embraces rich history, vibrant appearance, and essential care tips to introduce this resilient succulent into your garden. Thank you for joining us on this green journey. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell as we continue to explore the fascinating world of gardening and farming. Happy gardening, everyone.